Assalamu alaikum students. Let us continue with the chemical bonding. Now next topic is covalent bond. Covalent bond. In 1919 Lewis suggested that there are atoms which attain noble gas electronic configuration by sharing electron pair between similar or dissimilar atom. So there is sharing of electron pair between the similar or dissimilar atoms. Now, in sharing of electrons, each atom or while combining, each atom donates or gives one electron for formation of bond between two atoms to form a molecule. Now, as Lewis suggested in 1919 that there are atoms which attains inert gas electronic configuration, that is 1s2 or ns2 ns2 np6 electronic configuration. Okay, so there will be either 2 electrons in their outermost shell or there will be 8 electrons in their outermost shell, so that they will attain the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. After attaining the nearest noble gas electronic configuration, the molecule will become stable. Okay, it will not react further. So Langmuir called Lewis electron pair as covalent bond. Langmuir called Lewis electron pair as covalent bond. Okay. Now while forming the bond, each atom will contribute one electron to form a single bond between two atoms. The concept of electron pair is known as Lewis-Langmuir concept. It is called as Lewis-Langmuir concept. Concept of electron pair is called as Lewis-Langmuir concept. Now, after donation or after participation of electrons, there will be a formation of bond. Now this bond is represented by dash. It is represented by dash, and this bond is responsible for holding the two atoms together. For example, in case of hydrogen, you can see hydrogen molecule is there. Now there are two hydrogen atoms, and these two hydrogen atoms are held together by single covalent bond, and it is shown by dash. Okay. Now covalent bond. The definition of covalent bond. Definition of covalent bond. The attractive force exists due to the mutual sharing of electron between two atoms. The attractive force. Now what is the covalent bond? Covalent bond is the attractive force that exists between the two atoms due to mutual sharing of electrons. Now these atoms could be similar or could be dissimilar. Means their electronegativity could be similar or it could be dissimilar. So the definition is the attractive forces which exist due to the mutual sharing of electron between two atoms of similar electronegativities or having small differences in their electronegativities, called as covalent bond. So the covalent bond is simply the attractive forces. These are the attractive forces between two atoms of similar electronegativities or having slight differences in their electronegativities. So covalent bond is the attractive forces existing between the two atoms of similar electronegativities or having the small differences in their electronegativities is called as covalent bond. Okay, now let us see the formation of hydrogen molecule. Formation of hydrogen molecule. Formation of H2 molecule. Now we have seen earlier that atoms combine together to form molecule. So in hydrogen molecule, H2 molecule, you can see there are two hydrogen atoms. hydrogen atoms are combining together to form hydrogen molecule. Now this hydrogen molecule is simply the gas, hydrogen gas. You say that it is hydrogen gas. Now, how this hydrogen molecule or hydrogen gas is formed? Now, atomic number of this hydrogen atom is 1. Electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. So, we have seen there should be electronic configuration should be 1s2 or it should be ns2np6, so that they will attain the nearest noble gas electronic configuration and they will gain the stability. Okay, so here hydrogen is having only one electron, so it requires one more electron to acquire configuration like this 1s2. Okay, so it will combine with other hydrogen atom, or this hydrogen atom will approach to other hydrogen atom. Now other hydrogen atom also having the atomic number 1, electronic configuration is 1s1. Okay, now these two hydrogen atoms are approaching to each other to form hydrogen molecule H2, that is H2. So I will write like this: hydrogen with one electron, another hydrogen with one electron. Now instead of writing these two dots or these two electrons, I will directly write the bond between two hydrogen atoms. Okay, so I'll write it like this H2, or write it like this H2, one and the same. Okay, now the bonding electrons which are present inside the bond are belonging to the both the atoms. These two electrons are belonging to this hydrogen atom, and these two electrons are also belonging to this hydrogen atom. Means both the hydrogen atom having position on these two electrons. Okay, so in this way it will form hydrogen molecule, that is H2. Now two atoms approaches each other at certain internuclear distance, and they share their valence electrons. These two atoms are approaching each other at certain internuclear distance, and they will share their electrons to form a molecule. Okay, now this shared pair of electron belonging to both the atom, to this hydrogen atom, to also this hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom coming together at certain internuclear distance, sharing their electrons, forming a bond. Bonding means simply the association between two atoms. Okay, now let us continue. Formation of chlorine molecule. Formation of chlorine molecule. Cl2 molecule. Cl2. Now first of all you should know the atomic number of chlorine, Cl. See here you can see that there are two chlorine atoms. Two chlorine atoms are combining together to form chlorine molecule. Okay, that is chlorine gas. Chlorine is simply gas. So the atomic number of chlorine, this Cl, is 17. Atomic number is 17. Now electronic configuration will be, electronic configuration of chlorine, you can write the order electronic configuration as neon. Neon has atomic number 10, remaining is 7. Okay, so you will write 3s2 3p5, 3s2 3p5. So outermost electrons are 5 plus 2 7. Outermost electron in chlorine is 5 plus 2 7. It requires one more electron to complete its octet. It requires only one more electron to complete its octet. After gaining one electron, it will gain the electronic configuration similar to argon, that is 18. It will become 18. Okay, so I can write it like this: chlorine, this chlorine, outermost electrons are 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now there is one more chlorine. Okay, in Cl2 there are two chlorine atoms are involved, okay, to form a chlorine molecule. So I will write plus another chlorine. This chlorine is also having 7 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now these two electrons, these single electrons of this chlorine and this single electron of this chlorine will combine together to form a bond or association. Okay, so I can write like this: chlorine, one electron, second electron of other chlorine, the chlorine. Now valence electron, remaining valence electrons are written as it is. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now this chlorine is having collectively 8 electrons. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now this chlorine is also having 8 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So these two electron between two chlorine atoms belonging to the both the atoms, both the chlorine atoms, to this chlorine atom also and to this chlorine atom also, means the position on these two electrons are of both the chlorine, these two electrons belonging to both the chlorine atoms. Therefore the octet of this chlorine, these two chlorine atoms are complete. Okay, so it has now gained electronic configuration similar to argon, nearest noble gas electronic configuration, that is argon. Okay, now this molecule is stable, Cl2. Now this bond, I can write like this: Cl, single bond Cl, or Cl2 directly. Now this bond between two atoms, between two chlorine atom, is the result of sharing of electron between two atom. Okay, there are some other examples like water molecule and carbon tetrachloride. We will see water molecule H2O. Okay, the central atom here is oxygen. Okay, oxygen atomic number is 8, hydrogen atomic number is 1. So I will write it. This is oxygen. Okay, oxygen. Now this one is hydrogen. Hydrogen has 1 electron. This hydrogen has 1 electron. Okay, now the outermost electron in oxygen is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 5 and 6. Now you can see that this here, this there is formation of oxygen hydrogen single bond by using these two electrons, okay, and there is formation of oxygen hydrogen single bond by using these two electrons, or I can write like this. Okay, hydrogen single bond oxygen single bond hydrogen, and these two pair of electron will remain as it is. Okay, it has formed water molecule H2O. Okay, it's very simple. So atomic number of oxygen is 8 and the outermost electron in case of oxygen is 6. Okay, 2 comma 6. The outermost electrons are 6. Now these outermost electrons, 6 electrons, are involved in formation of chemical bond between hydrogen atom, oxygen and hydrogen atom. So I have written here the outermost electron 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 from the oxygen, and another electron is coming from the hydrogen atom. This electron is coming from this hydrogen atom. Okay, now by you combining two electron, one electron from oxygen, one electron from hydrogen, it has formed single bond between the oxygen and hydrogen atom. These are the lone pair of electrons, non-bonding electrons. 2 pair means jodi. Okay, now another example is there: carbon tetrachloride. CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. There are 4 chlorine atom and 1 carbon atom. Okay, central atom is carbon, and there are 4 chlorine atom which are surrounding the carbon atom. So I will write first of all carbon. This is carbon. I will draw a circle around the carbon. Okay. Now carbon has atomic number of carbon is 6, 2, 4. Electronic configuration is 2, 4. Now there are 4 electrons in the outermost orbit. Okay, outermost shell contains 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now there are 4 chlorine atom. Now we have seen earlier that there are 7 electrons in the outermost shell of the chlorine. Okay, 7 electrons. So I will draw a circle for chlorine here. This is chlorine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this 7th electron. Okay, I will draw one more circle for the chlorine. Chlorine has 7 electrons in the outermost shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this 7th. Okay, I will draw another circle for this chlorine atom. There are total 4 chlorine atoms. तो ये हो गया outermost shell contains 7 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this 7th electron coming from the chlorine atom. Now another chlorine atom. This chlorine is also having 7 electrons in the outermost shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this one is 7. Now this another electron is coming from the carbon. Okay, and this. Now you can see there are two electrons present between chlorine and carbon. 1 electron is coming from this carbon atom, 1 electron is coming from this chlorine atom. Now these 2 electrons are combining together to form association between this chlorine and carbon, or form the bond between this chlorine and carbon atom. Okay, similarly here also the 1 electron is coming from this carbon atom, 1 electron is coming from this chlorine atom. Now these 2 electrons are combining together to form a bond, okay, between this chlorine and carbon atom, single bond. So I can directly write it like this: carbon. Okay, this carbon. Now this carbon chlorine is having now a single bond. The single bond is represented by dash. This chlorine atom, I will not write electron again and again. Okay, single bond, and this chlorine carbon single bond. Now this carbon chlorine again single bond. The single bond is coming from these 2 electrons. Single bond chlorine, single bond chlorine. Write it like this or write it like this: CCl4. So in this way the formation of bond takes place between atoms to form a molecule according to Lewis-Dot structures. Okay. Now formation of multiple bonds. Multiple means more than one. How the multiple bonds are formed? Formation of multiple bond. How the multiple bonds are formed? If 2 electrons are approaching, or 2 electrons from 2 atoms are approaching to form a single bond. Okay, if 2 electrons from 2 atoms are coming together, they will form single bond. If there are 2 electrons from each atom are coming near or together or approaching each other, they will form double bond. If 3 electrons are coming from 2 atoms, it will form triple bond. Okay, now it will form, see here. In case of ethylene, CH2 double bond CH2. Okay, CH2 double bond CH2, or I can write like this: C2H4, C2H4. Okay. Now see here. Here there are 2 carbon atom, 4 hydrogen atom. 2 carbon, 4 hydrogen atom. So this carbon and this carbon, this hydrogen and this hydrogen, this hydrogen and this hydrogen atom. Now carbon has 4 electron in its outermost shell. Carbon atomic number 6, 2, 4. So it has 4 electron in its outermost shell. I will write the 4 electron around the carbon atom: 1, 2, 3, 4 for this carbon atom. Similar for this carbon atom: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now electrons are also coming from the hydrogen atom. So this is the electron, this is the electron from hydrogen atom, this is the electron from hydrogen atom, this is the electron from hydrogen atom. Now see how many electrons are present between these 2 carbon atoms: 1, 2, 3, 4. If there are 2 electrons between 2 carbon atom, it will form single bond. If there are 4 electrons between 2 carbon atom, it will form double bond. Here there are 2 electrons between carbon and hydrogen atom, it will form single bond. Okay. Here also similar, 2 electron between carbon and hydrogen atom, it will form single bond. But between these 2 carbon atom there are 4 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will form double bond. So structure will become like this: carbon, double bond, carbon, single bond, or hydrogens, single bond, hydrogen, single bond, hydrogen, CH2 double bond, CH2. Okay. Formation of multiple bond. If 2 electrons are coming or approaching each other from 2 atoms, it will form double bond. If 3 electrons are approaching each other or 3 electrons are coming close to each other from 2 atoms, it will form triple bond. For example, in case of nitrogen, see the example. In case of nitrogen atomic number, nitrogen molecule N2. So there are 2 nitrogen atoms in case of nitrogen molecule, nitrogen gas. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Okay, atomic number of nitrogen is 7, 2, 5. It contains how many electrons in the outermost shell? 5 electrons. Okay, 5 electrons. Now I will write 2 nitrogen atoms. Okay, this nitrogen atom and this nitrogen atom. So this nitrogen atom has 1, 2, 3 electrons in the outermost shell and 2 electron remains as lone pair. For this nitrogen atom also same thing, 2 electrons are lone pair of electron and 3 electrons are coming together to form bond. So here you can see how many electrons are present between 2 nitrogen atom: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will form how many bond between 2 nitrogen atom? 3 bond. Okay, it will form 3 bond between 2 nitrogen atom. So this nitrogen and this nitrogen, it will contain triple bond between 2 nitrogen atom, or in case of nitrogen molecule. Okay. In case of carbon dioxide, CO2, carbon dioxide, CO2. Now central atom is carbon. Carbon is surrounded by 2 oxygen atom. Central atom will be carbon. Atomic number of carbon is 6. Atomic number of carbon is 6. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. So atomic number of carbon is 6. Electronic configuration will be 2, 4. It contains 4 electron in the outermost shell. So I will write first of all carbon. First of all I will write this carbon. Okay, it contains how many electrons? 4 electrons. So I will write 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons in the outermost shell. Now there are 2 oxygen. I will draw a circle for oxygen. This is the oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Electronic configuration is 2, 6. So it contains 6 electron in its outermost shell. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this 5, 6. Similar for another oxygen atom. This is the oxygen. also contains 6 electron in the outermost shell. 1 2 3 4 and this 5 6. So you can see here there are 4 electron between this carbon and oxygen. 4 electron between carbon x oxygen. So it will form how many bond between the carbon and oxygen? 2 bond. Simple. Okay. So there will be carbon double bond oxygen and this similar here carbon double bond oxygen. So it will form carbon double bond oxygen, carbon double bond oxygen. So in this way multiple bond formation takes place. Okay. In case of nitrogen, in case of carbon dioxide, in case of CH2 double bond CH2 ethylene. Okay. Formation of multiple bond. So next part we will see in next lecture inshallah. I will discontinue this video here.